Hi friends, in today's class we're going to learn about maps. We've been learning about maps in our EVS Zoom classes, but this video will help you understand and also comprehend our understanding of maps better. Alright, um, in this video we're going to explore more about what are maps, who creates these maps, how do we create maps if we want to create by ourselves, what are the important things we should keep in mind before creating any map, all of these questions. But first question Didi wants to ask you all is why do you even create maps? Where are these used? हम क्यों इसके बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं? Think, Didi is also thinking, why are we learning about maps? Where do we use maps? Hmm, interesting. I think we use maps to find out directions, to know more about different places where we haven't visited yet. Yes, I think these are the two main important things that I can think right now. If you can think more, please write down in your notebook or share with Didi on WhatsApp. Okay, let's move ahead. First and very important question, what are maps? Maps क्या होते हैं? Maps are a diagram of an area of land or sea. Diagram. Diagram meaning diagram meaning picture. Diagram meaning special picture or photo or drawing. Okay. Drawing, picture, photo is called diagram of an area. Area यानी कि उसका area. Area we all know. Of land or sea. Land का sea का area. ठीक है. Showing physical features. क्या शो करता है मैप? फिजिकल फीचर्स. फिजिकल फीचर्स मीनिंग जो वहां की दिखने की स्पेशल क्वालिटीज होती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आर मुंबई हैज sea in it. That is a physical feature. Palak Didi lives in a plain area. Palak Didi's gaon is in a plain area, and that is a physical feature of Palak Didi's gaon. Himalayas have mountains. That is a physical feature कि वहां पे mountains है. Like that, physical features is जो हम देख सकते हैं और जिसको टच कर सकते हैं वो कैसा दिखता है. Cities and roads. So मैप क्या होता है? मैप एक ड्राइंग होती है, जैसे कि हम ये इंडिया की ड्राइंग देख रहे हैं, जो हमको लैंड और सी की ड्राइंग बताती है और वहां के फिजिकल फीचर्स बताती है, सिटीज बताते हैं और रोड्स के बारे में बताते हैं. All right. For example, here we can see different cities are connected through different roads. There is also sea that we can see in blue color, Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean, and also it is showing us physical features. Okay, moving on to the next part. Who create maps? Maps कौन बनाता है? Cartographers create maps. Cartographer एक ऐसा इंसान होता है जो maps बनाता है. All right, cartographer is a person who make maps. Moving on, important elements of maps. मैप्स के इम्पोर्टेंट एलिमेंट्स मीनिंग क्या क्या चीजें मिलाकर मैप्स बनते हैं. ओके, इम्पोर्टेंट एलिमेंट्स क्या होते हैं? फर्स्ट इज मैप टाइटल. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. मैप टाइटल. हमने जो मैप बनाया है उसका क्या नाम हम देंगे? ओके, क्या एक सिटी का मैप है, क्या एक कंट्री का मैप है, क्या एक वर्ल्ड का मैप है, और is it showing some special feature about that place? Special feature meaning कि वहां के कोई special quality के बारे में. Next, legend. What are legends? Legends ये जो बाजू में ऐसा छोटा बॉक्स बनाते हैं, इसमें हम लिखते हैं symbols. Alright, we're going to learn about symbols also. So legends has a combination of all the symbols that are showcased in the map. जो भी मैप में हम सिंबल्स बनाते हैं वो सब लेजेंड्स में आके हमको लिखना पड़ता है. सो दैट फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर रेहान ने मैप बनाया और पलक दीदी को नहीं पता कि रेहान ने मैप में क्या क्या सिंबल्स यूज किए हैं और उन सिंबल्स का मीनिंग क्या है, बिकॉज रेहान नोज इन हिज हेड व्हाट डज दैट सिंबल मीन बट पलक दीदी डजंट नो. व्हाट हैपेंस? Legend में Rehan will write down that star meaning this, line meaning this, so that when Palak Didi reads the map, Palak Didi can also understand. So legend का function होता है, function of legend is to make anybody understand what are the symbols that are used in the maps means. ऑलराइट, मैप्स में जितने भी सिंबल का यूज किया है उनका क्या मीनिंग है, ये हम लेजेंड में दिखाते हैं, इसलिए लेजेंड बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. नेक्स्ट इज स्केल. स्केल इज यूज्ड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि अगर मैप इतना छोटा है पर उसका एक्चुअल साइज कितना बड़ा होगा, क्योंकि दिस इज अ कंट्री का साइज इज सो बिग, so scale is used for that. Another part is direction. So for example, you want to go to the north part and you are sitting in the south part. How will you understand कि आपको कौन से direction में जाना है? Maps will help you decide that as well, and it will show that. These are the important elements of map. 4 important elements: map title, legend, scale, and direction. Map title, legend or key, scale, and direction. Different types of maps. Here there are 2 maps that you can see on the screen. Both the maps are of India. India, our country. Both the maps are of the same country. But they both look very different now. See what is the difference? So this one shows us about road, international boundaries, rivers, national capital, city or town, all of this. This part is called legend. We studied now what is a legend. So this part is a legend. So, and this part is a scale. This part is a scale. So in India, in this map, they are showing roads, rivers, different connectivities. For example, here from Mumbai, it is connected to Indore, then also connected to Gwalior, Agra, then New Delhi. New Delhi is in star because it is a national capital. Then all the dots meaning there are cities, all the dots meaning that there are cities. So like that, this left side map shows cities, roads, rivers, etc. On the right side, this map is a little bit different. The colors are also different. So here, all the brown color means there are mountain peaks. And also this one symbol, a triangle symbol, जो कि mountain जैसा दिख रहा है, it is also used for mountain peaks. For example, here it is a mountain peak, here it is a mountain peak, like that. All the green parts means that it is plain area sort of place. Plain area, all right. Then state or union territory boundaries are shown by dotted lines. For example, Maharashtra is like this with a dotted line. Then rivers are also shown is in this also. Like that, there are different types of maps. Different types of maps are used to show different things. For example, on the left side, it shows road connections. On the right side, it shows physical features. यानी कि वहां पे क्या कैसा कैसा दिखता है, physical features कैसे हैं, कहाँ पे mountain है, कहाँ पे plain region है, कहाँ पे plateau है, all that, different landforms. क्योंकि अगर हम पिक्चर देखेंगे तो पिक्चर देख के तो हमको समझ में नहीं आएगा कि यहाँ पे माउंटेन है कि नहीं है, पर उसको शो करना पड़ेगा विद अ सिंबल, which is why they have used a mountain peak का symbol. Also they have used different colors to show that symbol. Okay, moving on. Another different types of maps. In the left side of the map, you can only see state. Only states are mentioned, nothing else. States and union territories are mentioned. On the right side of the map, I can also see some airports being mentioned and some port lands being mentioned. पोर्टलैंड्स यानी कि जो सी के साइड में होता है और जहाँ पे शिप्स आके रुकती हैं और वहां से इंपोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट का काम होता है, all that features. So I can see all of that airports, important airports like in Mumbai, uh, like in Nagpur, like in New Delhi, all those airports. और छोटा सा मैप, छोटा सा एयरप्लेन का सिंबल है मैप पे, to understand that it is an airport. Okay, here all the different states are colored in different colors, so that we understand कि कहाँ से कौन सा state खत्म हो रहा है, कहाँ से कौन सा दूसरा चालू हो रहा है. So that is a very smart thing to understand different maps. Okay, now that we all have studied about what are maps, who create the maps, different types of maps, different important elements of the maps, please write down these questions and their answers in your notebook. Pause the video here, write down these questions and their answers in your notebook, EVS notebook. First question, what are maps? Maps क्या होते हैं? Second question, people who create maps are called. जो लोग maps बनाते हैं वो क्या होते हैं? Why are different types of maps used? Third question, different types of maps क्यों use करते हैं? Fourth question, important elements of maps are. Maps के important elements क्या होते हैं? Fifth question, what is the function of a legend or a key? Legend और key का क्या function है? Sixth question, how will you locate a river on the map? Map में river कैसे locate करोगे, कैसे देखोगे? Pause the video here, write down all the questions and their answers. Moving ahead, different symbols on maps. Map में different symbols. अभी हमने legends पढ़ा था, उसमें different symbols use किए थे. For example, here I can see all the land, all the roads is connected and is shown by yellow color line. Yellow color line से मुझे show करा है. Yellow color line. और जो संजय गांधी नेशनल पार्क है बोरीवली में, वो पूरा green से show करा है. ग्रीन कलर, बिकॉज इट हैज सो मेनी ट्रीज, इट इज सो ब्यूटीफुल, तो उसको ग्रीन कलर से शो किया. जो एक एयरपोर्ट है, इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट, उसको एक छोटा सा एयरप्लेन के साइज का किया है. और जितना भी लेक्स है मुंबई में, छोटे छोटे लेक्स, all that is shown by small blue colored places. Okay, like this. So these are the different symbols that are used to understand कि एक जगह पे कैसा दिख सकता है वो. So these are the different symbols. Now it's time for us, friends, that we create our own symbols. Make your own symbols. What do you think house would look like, lake would look like, mountain would look like, grassland यानी कि plain जहाँ पे सिर्फ grass होता है वो दिखे, airport, hospitals, etc. Please pause the video here again and then make your own symbols. So friends, Didi has tried by herself and with her poor drawing skills, I have tried to make some symbols like house in my map may look like this, lake may look like this, mountains would look like this, airport would look like this with a small airplane, and hospital would look like this with a small plus sign, because I've seen a lot of times on ambulance ऐसा plus sign दिखता है, hospitals में भी बहुत बार ऐसा red color का plus sign दिखता है. Mountain, I have made many mountains. Glassland I have made with green color like this. Like that, you can also make your own symbols. All right. So now let's move ahead. We also have some activity. So in today's activity, it's time for fun. We're going to make our own map of our dream city or country. जो भी हमको city or country बहुत पसंद है या फिर हमारी imagination में है, we are going to use our thinking power and our creativity to make a map of our own dream city or country. जो भी हमको पसंद है, जो भी हमारे दिमाग में आता है, एक city और एक country कैसा दिखना चाहिए, वो सब हम अपने मैप में बनाएंगे. You can also include anything and everything that you want. If you want a candy house, use a candy house in a map. If you want to use all the rivers or all the seas, everything in your city, you can also incorporate that. वो सब use कर सकते हो. But friends, don't forget to use symbols, legend, title, scale, colors to make your map beautiful. And when Palak Didi reads your map, Palak Didi understands your map very easily. Okay, this is the end of the video. Just complete the video and write down everything that Didi has asked you. Make your own map. Send picture to Didi on WhatsApp. Bye.